Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Avantika. My name is Avantika Nagdali. In this video, we will study last 10th chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. So what is basically linear equations? Linear equations are algebraic expressions whose degree is 1. So 3x plus 2 equals to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. Okay, so we have to study linear equation in two variables. So 3x plus 2y equals to 0 will be the linear equation in two variables. So chapter name is pair of linear equations in two variables. So we will take another equation 4x plus 5y equals to 0. So this is pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, we solve pair of linear equations in two variables by two methods, that is graphical method and algebraic method. So further algebraic methods are of two types. First is substitution method and second is elimination method. Okay, so we will study first of all graphical method. To study graphical method, we should know some ratios and their graphical representation and algebraic representation. Okay, so what are the standard form of linear equations? Standard form of linear equations are a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to C2. These are the standard form of linear equations, pair of linear equations. So we will compare their ratios. Okay, if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, okay, then graphical representation will be intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines. Two lines will intersect at a point and their algebraic interpretation will be exactly one solution and we can say unique solution. Okay, exactly one solution or we can say unique solution. Fine. Next is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So graphical representation of this ratio will be coincident lines. Two lines will coincide. Okay, this two lines will overlap each other. So there will be infinitely many points in which two lines will intersect each other. So there will be its algebraic interpretation will be infinitely many solutions. Next is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Okay, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So graphical representation of this ratio will be parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. Lines which never intersect each other are called parallel lines. Okay, if they will never meet each other, they will never touch each other at any point, so algebraic interpretation will be no solution. Okay, let us revise quickly these ratios. So if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, graphical representation will be intersecting lines. So these two lines will intersect each other at one point, and their graphical interpretation will be exactly one solution, or we can say unique solution. Okay. Second is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Their graphical representation will be coincident lines, means two lines will overlap each other. These two lines will be overlapping each other, so it will touch, both line will touch each other at infinitely many points. So algebraic interpretation will be infinitely many solutions. Okay. Last is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So their graphical representation will be parallel lines, and parallel lines are those lines which never intersect each other. Okay. And their algebraic interpretation will be no solution. If two lines will never intersect each other, never touch each other at any point, so there will be no solution. Solution तब होते हैं जब कोई दो लाइन किसी पॉइंट पे टच करती हैं. इफ दे विल नेवर टच ईच अदर, सो देयर विल बी नो सॉल्यूशन. Okay, in this intersecting line, two lines are touching each other at one point, so there is only one solution. In coincident line, two lines are touching each other at infinitely many points, so algebraic interpretation is infinitely many solution. In parallel lines, two lines are never touching each other. Okay, these two lines are never touching each other, never intersecting each other, so there will be no solution. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.